Hello everyone. Talking about business of publishing books on Amazon KDP, and we ask ourselves starting is this business is real in this time? We are at October 2025. Yes, this real is real, this business, and we can have the possibility to have success in publishing books on Amazon KDP. A lot of people are have success, so we can have success. It's not simply, but it's a real possibility to have to take success in this business of publishing books. We have to make a little steps, each steps to have success. First of all, we have to think about what kind of books we can publish. So we have to look for books that are in request, that people want to buy, and in which there is not so much competition. Second, we have to make a good book because there is competition, and we have to make a book better of the book of our competitors. Then number 3, we have to make advertisement of our book, because if we publish a book in a good niche, not so big and not so much competition, and we make a good book, but we have to make advertisement to have this book sold. So we can have the possibility to make advertisement on Amazon KDP. You can see here sponsored. All these books are published and are sponsored on Amazon KDP, paying Amazon. Or you can make advertisement simply on socials. So you can use socials to make your book online, and people can see your book. You have to pay in time if you make socials. It's not paying in money but time, because publishing on socials, you can spend time. So you can make videos on YouTube, or make videos on Facebook or Instagram, but the best one is TikTok. So making video on TikTok about your books is the first possibility to make advertisement free of your books. First of all, number 1 we told is look for a good niche that is not so big, not so much competition. For instance, coloring book is a very big niche. You can see we are on Chrome, and there is 20,000 results. It's too big, too much results, too much competition, and so we have to look for a sub niche of this one. And this one is the number of books on a niche, and it's the first number you have to look for. We are looking for niche of 1,000 results and no more. This is a big niche. If you have success in a niche like this, you have a lot of money. For instance, look at this, all bestseller, and you can download software in Chrome, DS Quick View, because you can have this data you can see of the books coming out without opening each book. So you can have a look. This book is 14 in books, means a lot of money coming. For instance, you can consider that if a book is number 80,000 in the top 10 all books of Amazon, earning 500 a month dollars. So 14 is a very big results. So a top in all books of Amazon, earning a lot of money. This is Cocoyo. This is brand very strong. So if you make a brand very strong, then your books will be succeeding. The second one, Cocoyon again, so a very strong brand, and the number is 58, so a lot of money to here coming. Or you can see other results in first page. 83, it's very nice. 125, it's very nice, and 22. So all these books are selling lot of copies and earning lots of money because they are in a very big niche and because they are on the first page. And this other here are sponsored, and they are here because they are sponsoring, they are paying Amazon to stay here with the sponsor advisement, and they are earning this one 33,000. It's nice. This one it's 1,080,100. It's no earning. This one is no earning, and this one is 3 million. It's no earning. So sponsored doesn't mean that you are going to earn, because if you are in a very big niche, so you don't are going to have your book in the first page of results, and you are not going to earn. So what's doing? To look for other niche, little niche with not a lot of competition, and in which books are selling. If you go here in coloring book and just look for other suggestion from Amazon, you can see a lot of sub niche, so very little niches in which you can publish your book, in which you can have a chance, possibility to have your book in first page. So you have to look a very little niche. For instance, coloring book for adults. So what doing? Just open all niches and study what's inside. Or if you have an idea, just write down. So you can open, for instance, for adult is 7,000 results, so very big. Go back. Coloring book for kids, it's very big, but is 70,000. We told that 1,000 is the bigger you can have. For instance, if you go on in sub-niche, you can have other suggestion. For instance, coloring book for kids age 4-8. Press. It's 10,000, so it's better, but it's big. Other suggestion. Coloring book for kids age boys. Look at this. 10,000. It's a little big. So you have to look for little niche. Coloring book for kids age 4-8 girls. Look at this. 10,000. Or coloring book for kids age 4-8 learn how to draw animals. Look at this. Look at this. It's 293. So this is nice. It's a little niche. And second, you have to look in first page if books are earning money. So if they succeeded. This is sponsored. We don't look at this. Sponsored, no. This one, it's not sponsored, and it's 3,000. Very nice. 8,000. Very nice. It's very nice. 320. And more results, 3000, this is sponsored. Another result, 3000. So this is a nice niche in which we can publish. Then you can just open a book to look at what is inside. For instance, this one, drawing. This is 108 pages of how to draw, how to learn how to draw to kids. It's for 5-6 years kids. It's 8.5 11 inches a page, and you can look that the categories in which they are in the first page 2 in children's drawing books, in early children's education, in children's coloring books. You can press in these categories, for instance this one, to look other ideas. You can have the bestsellers in children's drawing books. This one is bestseller, and this is, you can look 28 in books, 380 in books, 343 in books. So all these books are having a lot of succeed, earning a lot of money each month. So you can have a lot of ideas, not just to copy, okay, but to have ideas, to have a big book better and a different book with your ideas. Make attention, not use a trademark like this one, Pokemon. You can't use this one, Pokemon, because this is trademark of other, so you can use this one. So you can have a lot of ideas. You can press on a book to study what is inside. You can have a look to the pages. This is A+ content to publish it, to make your book visibility when people is clicking on your book. And look inside, look at this, starting to learn how draw to little child, so you can have idea to make your book better. Hope this video you are appreciating. You can make like to the video and follow for other ideas on publishing Amazon. Bye.